Welcome to this video by Intellipaat. In this video, we are going to learn about Excel flash fill.
But before we begin the session, make sure to subscribe to our channel and also hit on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from us.
Let's take a look at our agenda. The first is what is flash fill in Excel, how to use flash fill in Excel, the options flash fill offers, certain examples, and the limitations. What is flash fill? Flash fill in Excel is a unique feature that analyzes the data you enter and automatically fills in blanks when it detects a pattern. Excel 2013 introduced the flash fill function, which is now accessible in all later versions of Excel. Splitting and combining text strings, cleaning data and removing errors, formatting text and numbers, converting dates to the required format, and much more are all simple jobs that flash fill can do without the use of formulas. Each time, flash fill compiles a large number of little programs that could do the work and sorts them using machine learning algorithms to discover the best fit for the job. All of this happens in the background in milliseconds, and the user gets the outcomes very instantly. Let's now take a look at how to use flash fill. Flash fill usually starts immediately, and all you have to do is provide a pattern. Here is how you do it. The first step is to add a new column next to the one containing your source data. Type the desired value in the first cell of a newly inserted column. Start typing in the next cell, and Excel will offer a preview of data that will be autofilled in the cells if it detects a pattern. Accept the preview by pressing the enter key. Now let's look at flash fill options. The flash fill options button displays near the autofilled cells when using flash fill in Excel to automate data entry. This button activates a menu that allows you to accomplish the following. Reverse the effects of flash fill. Select the blank cells in Excel that haven't been filled up to format all of the altered cells all at once. Now let's look at a few examples. Flash fill, as previously stated, is an extremely versatile tool. Now the examples that we take here highlight some of its features. The first one is extract text from cell, that is split columns. Before flash fill, you had to utilize the text to columns feature or the Excel text methods to split the contents of one cell into multiple cells. With flash fill, you may get quick results without having to do any complicated text operations. Next up, we have combining data from several cells, that is merging columns. If you need to execute the opposite action, flash fill may also concatenate cells. Furthermore, it can use a space, comma, semicolon, or any other characters to separate the combined numbers. All you have to do is display Excel the proper punctuation in the first cell. Next we have clean data. If some of your worksheet's data items start with a leading space, flash fill can remove it in a flash. If you type the initial value without a space before it, any excess spaces in any other cells will be removed as well. Next we have format text, numbers, and dates. Frequently, the data in your spreadsheets is formatted one way while you prefer it to be formatted another. Simply type the values in the order you want them to display, and flash fill will take care of the rest. The last one that we have here is replacing part of cell content. In Excel, replacing part of a string with another string is a typical procedure that flash fill can automate. Let's now look at the limitations. The first limitation is the results of flash fill do not update automatically. Flash fill produces static effects unlike formulas. Any changes you make to the original data won't show up in the flash fill results. Next we have, it might not identify a pattern. Flash fill may stutter and deliver inaccurate results in some cases, particularly when your source data is structured or formatted differently. If you use flash fill to extract middle names from a list where some entries only have the first and last names, the results will be incorrect in those cells. As a result, it is a good idea to check the flash fill output on a regular basis. Next, cells with non-printable characters are ignored. Flash fill will skip part of the auto-filled cells if they include spaces or other non-printable characters. Also, it might convert numbers to strings. Please be advised that while using flash fill to reformat integers, it may transform them into alphanumeric characters. If you want to maintain the numbers, use the Excel's format capabilities, which only changes the visual representation but not the underlying information. That's it for this video.
Just a quick info, guys. Intellipaat provides advanced Microsoft Excel training mentored by industry experts, the course link of which is given in the description below.